Hello, today we will see how we can share our mobile screen with our computer. Press the window key on your keyboard and search settings. Click on it. Then select apps. Then click on optional features. Now select view features and on the pop-up type wireless display. Check the box, click on next and then hit the install button. It will take some time to install the wireless display. Now you can scroll down and see wireless display is installed. Now press the back button. Again press the back button and select projecting to this PC. Click on it. Now we have to make some settings here. So first, some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC. Make it available everywhere. And then ask to project to this PC. Select every time a connection is requested and the pin for pairing set it never. Now you can close the settings. Again press the Windows key and search for wireless display. Click on it. Now you have to go to your mobile. From here, select Screencast, click on it. Now it will show the available devices. Select the device from here. Now you can see we can view our mobile phone in our computer. Our mobile phone is on the right side and our system is on the left side. So whatever operation we are performing in our mobile phone is also visible in our computer. Let us open an app. I will open Playbooks. Let me open this book, Think and Grow Rich. As you see, the quality is very good here. Screencasting can be very helpful. Suppose you are making a video using back camera of your phone, then you can use this screencasting in order to view whatever is recorded in your mobile phone. You can view that in your computer and according to that you can adjust your camera.